Components of food. Our everyday meals contain a variety of food items. This food variety also changes with different states of our country. For example, people in North India mostly eat dal roti, mixed vegetable, chicken curry, kheer and rice. In South India, the basic food items eaten mostly are idli, dosa, sambar, upma, uttapam and others. You will notice that these dishes are made up of some kind of grains, vegetables, meat or some milk products. All these food materials contain some nutrients. The most important reason of including such a variety of dishes in our meals is the presence of different nutrients in different food items. Nutrients in food. A nutrient is a substance present in food which provides nutrition to the body. The different foods contain different types of nutrients. These are carbohydrates, fats, protein, vitamins and minerals. These nutrients play different functions in our body. For example, growth, maintenance and repair of injured and worn out body parts. However, it is not possible to get all the nutrients from a single type of food. Due to this, it is essential to eat a variety of food items in our everyday meals. Carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are energy-giving foods. They are present in the form of starch and sugar in our food. Food in plants is stored in the form of starch. Rice, wheat, maize, potato, sugarcane and bananas are such food items. Our digestive system breaks down starch into glucose. This glucose is absorbed by the body and provides us energy. Fats. Fats contain more energy than carbohydrates, so they are also called energy-giving foods. These are obtained from both animal and plant sources. We get fat-rich foods such as butter, ghee, meat and eggs from animals. Plants provide us with vegetable oils such as groundnut, coconut, mustard and sunflower oil. Nuts such as almonds and cashews are also rich in fats. Proteins. Proteins are called bodybuilding foods. They are required for the growth of the body. They also help in repairing the injured and worn out parts. We get proteins from plants and animals both. Examples of proteins obtained from plants are kidney beans, pulses, peas and ground nuts. Meat, eggs, fish and milk are some protein-based foods that we get from animals. Vitamins. Vitamins are protective foods. They are required by our body in small amounts, but are essential for some important functions. They are called protective food as they protect our body from diseases. There are various kinds of vitamins like vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, vitamin D, vitamin E, and vitamin K. Our body needs all types of vitamins in small quantities. Some type of vitamins, their sources and functions. Vitamin, source, function. Vitamin A, papaya, carrot, fish oil, pumpkin, mangoes. Keeps our eyes and skin healthy. B, meat, milk, potatoes, cereals, pulses. Helps in releasing energy and information of red blood cells. C, lemon, orange, guava, amla. Helps our body to fight against many diseases. D, sunlight, beans, paneer, eggs, mushrooms. Keeps our bones and teeth strong. E, milk, eggs, nuts, peas, olives. Keeps our body and skin healthy. K, spinach, cabbage, tomato, cauliflower, lettuce, kale, dairy products. Helps in stopping blood from injured parts. Minerals. Minerals are also known as protective foods. They are also required in very small quantities but are important for maintaining good health and overall well-being of the body. Some important minerals required by our body are calcium, sodium, potassium, phosphorus, iron and iodine, etc. Calcium and phosphorus. They are essential minerals for the formation of bones and teeth. Milk, eggs, cheese and pulses are rich in calcium and phosphorus. Iron, it helps in the formation of blood. The deficiency of iron causes anemia. Green leafy vegetables, eggs, nuts, peas, jaggery are some good sources of iron. Iodine. It helps in body growth and keeps us healthy. Seafood, fish, and iodized salt are some common food sources of iodine. Roughage. Roughage or dietary fibers are important for proper functions of our digestive system. We get roughage from plant foods. It has no nutritive value, but it prevents from constipation and helps to get rid of undigested food. Vegetables like carrot, radish and cabbage, fruits like guava, peaches, apples and whole grains like wheat, rice and pulses are rich sources of dietary fibers. Water. Human body is made up of about 70% water. We cannot stay alive without water. It also does not contain any nutrients, but it is required for the proper functioning of the body. We should drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily. We get water from drinking water, milk, juices, tea, etc. It absorbs nutrients and removes waste in the form of urine. Water also keeps our body stay cool and maintains body temperature through sweating. Balanced diet. A diet containing all the required nutrients in adequate quantities is called balanced diet. It is a combination of all the 5 nutrients. It also includes roughage and water. According to our body requirement, balanced diet is different for everyone. It varies with age, sex, and type of work. A growing child requires more protein-rich food. A laborer doing hard work needs maximum energy, so his food contains more of carbohydrates. It is not necessary that balanced diet contains expensive food items. The foods like groundnut, sprouted seeds, moong and black gram, idli, sambar, missi roti, thepla made of cereals and pulses, sattu, banana, spinach, jaggery are easily available and not very costly. We can include these in our regular meals to get all the nutrients. Deficiency diseases. There are many people in our country who do not get proper nutrients or balanced diet. So, they develop deficiency diseases due to the lack of essential nutrients. The diseases which occur due to the deficiency of one or more essential nutrients in our diet are called deficiency diseases. These diseases cannot be transmitted from one person to another. By eating proper diet, deficiency diseases can be prevented. Some important deficiency diseases are night blindness. It occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin A. The person is not able to see in dim light clearly due to this. The person suffers from blurred vision when looking at faraway objects. The rich sources of vitamin A are green leafy vegetables, carrot, papayas, pumpkins, fish, etc. Ricket. It occurs due to deficiency of calcium and vitamin D. In rickets, bones become soft, brittle, and twisted. The muscles become weak and the intestinal and respiratory functions easily occur. It can be prevented by taking milk and other food items which are rich in vitamin D and calcium. Morning sunlight is also a good source of vitamin D. Scurvy. It occurs due to the deficiency of vitamin C. The common symptoms of scurvy are swollen and bleeding gums. The food rich in vitamin C can prevent scurvy. The fruits like oranges, lemons, sprouts are rich in vitamin C. Overcooking causes loss of vitamin C from food items. Anemia. It occurs due to the deficiency of iron in our regular diet. The symptoms of anemia are pale skin and nails, dark patches below the eyes, tired body and frequent headache. It can be prevented by taking iron-rich foods like green leafy vegetables, pulses, cereals, meat, fish, etc. Preserving nutrients in food. Eating only balanced diet is not enough. It is also necessary to preserve nutrients present in food. Some ways by which nutrients can be avoided from loss are washing vegetables after cutting or peeling of fruits and vegetables causes loss of vitamins and minerals. Repeated washing of rice and pulses removes vitamins and minerals present in them. Avoid overcooking of food. It also causes nutrient loss. Excess water should not be used in cooking. Vitamins easily get destroyed due to this. Malnutrition. Malnutrition is a condition when the body does not get sufficient nutrients in its everyday meals. It may occur due to poor eating habits or lack of sufficient food. Due to this, the children become malnourished. They suffer from weakness and diseases. The diseases caused by malnutrition are kwashiorkor and marasmus. Kwashiorkor. It is a disease of severe protein malnutrition. It occurs due to insufficient protein consumption. In children, it leads to stunted growth, swollen face, patchy skin, discoloration of hair, diarrhea, and swollen abdomen. Marasmus. It occurs due to insufficient consumption of carbohydrates and other nutrients. It leads to body weakness, loss of stamina, weight loss, loose folds of skin can be observed on the patient's body. The marasmus mainly occurs due to poverty and scarcity of food.